Hi everyone. The previous video was all about the relational operators and this video is about the logical operators. There are three types of logical operators: and, or, and not. It is a bit difficult to understand these operators without coding, so let us move directly to the code now to understand these operators. This is our code. I'll declare two variables, int a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 3. Then I'll write printf and apply the AND operator on these two operands. So AND operator means that it will give the result either true or false, but it will give the result true only when both of these are true. True means it is not 0. In C, as I have told, that every other number without 0 is true, even if it is negative, and 0 is false. So AND operator will give the result true only if both the operands are true. Let us compile and run this code. The answer is 1 because 5 and 3 both are true. Let me make it 0. Now the answer is false because in AND operator it will only give the answer true whenever both the operands are true. Now one of the operand is false because it is 0, and in C 0 is false, so the answer is 0. Now let me apply all the logical operation in the single program only to give you a good perspective. This is or, and not is a unary operator. It apply only on one single variable or one operand, so I'll just apply at this point of time on A. I'll just compile it and run it. Now we'll check the answers. A and B gives us 0 because in AND if one of the operand is false, the answer will be false. OR operator gives us true because in OR operator if any of the operator is true, the answer will be true. And NOT operator is giving us 1 because we have applied it on a false value, that is 0. 0 is a false value, so it is giving us the answer 1. If I apply the NOT operator on B like this, and this is, I'm compiling it and running it, then the answer will be 0. So NOT operator does all the all the true values it turns into false, and all the false values it turn into true values. So this is all about the logical operators. In the next video we'll study about the bitwise operators. Thank you.